So today is the day, guys, right? So today we're gonna be letting go of the beautiful Porsche. The beautiful Porsche. This is our last time driving the Porsche. It was fun. It was fun while it lasted 100%. But we're moving on to new and better things, man. You can see here, this was the Porsche. I actually like the Porsche, but it just didn't give me everything that I needed, right? It didn't give me everything that I wanted. I wasn't super happy with it, so now I'm going to go and get my first supercar, right? I'm going to get my first supercar. I'm super excited. I really don't even know how to feel right now. What I'm about to go ahead and do is I'm about to go to the bank real fast and go ahead and pick up a cashier's check to give to the dealership in order to drop the whip. But I'm super excited, guys. Wait till y'all see the whip because this thing is crazy. Crazy. So stay tuned for that. I'm probably not gonna be recording a whole bunch of it just because I'm trying to live in the moment. You know, I don't want to just, record a whole bunch of stuff. I want to actually like feel it. Like, how does it feel to actually buy my very first supercar, right? And it's like the Porsche. It's not necessarily a supercar. It's like a high luxury end, but the car that I just got, guys, boy, that thing is crazy, man. Like, literally is crazy. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna let you guys see it once I get it, and I'm about to go ahead and grab the cashier's check from the bank, and then I'll be right back. All right, so we picked up the cashier's check. I'm gonna show it to you guys here, so you guys don't think I'm lying. Just got the envelope, cross out everything, but you guys can see. We're putting 13K down, and yeah, so it's a surreal moment, right? It's like super surreal. Like I never did anything. I never spent this much money on a purchase before. Besides, like the down payment, yeah, but the just spending this overall amount of money is just crazy to me, right? It's just super crazy. And I'm truly blessed. I can't do anything but thank God, because without him, a lot of this would not be possible. And I'm just super blessed, man. I'm super excited, like, because I came a long way. If you guys been watching my YouTube videos, you saw, like, from the beginning. I know I haven't posted. I know I haven't posted like a lot of videos on YouTube, but the videos that I have posted are just, like they're just, you see the progress, right? You see the journey. And now I didn't even get to show you guys the Porsche. I never made a video of that, but I mean you saw it in the Life of Lito video. Like, I was driving a Porsche, but you never see the purchase behind it. Because, and let me tell you guys the story on that. When I first moved to Texas, my third day down here in Dallas, my SRT Jeep got stolen. So I made the video of the SRT Jeep like 7 or 8 months ago, and then it got stolen, and then I just was like forced to go buy a car quickly because like I didn't have a car and I had just moved to the city, and it was just like, dang. So I went and bought the Porsche, and from there it was just like, okay, yeah, I like the Porsche, but I never really was like a fan of it. I never really like even looked at Porsches. I just wanted something new, but I didn't want to get another SRT because I was scared it's gonna get stolen. So I was thinking about like getting like a Hellcat, Durango, or like a Trackhawk and all that stuff. And I was just like, nah, they stole this one, they probably could steal the next one. So I was like, okay, cool. I was gonna think about getting like a kill switch and tracker, but I was like, I don't want to deal with that. So I'm gonna get something that's not as easily like stealable, And then so from there, I was looking at cars. I was looking at Range Rovers and stuff like that. But I was like, nah, like I see Range Rovers literally every day. Like I want something that I don't really see too much of. And then I had just one day I was looking at the Range Rovers, and they had a Porsche parked in the front. And I was like, that actually looks pretty cool. So then I went back home that day, did some research on it, and it was a little bit more than a Range Rover. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Porsche, and I'm gonna take my chance with it. So once I got the Porsche, I didn't like the way it came, so I instantly had to do some mods. Like I got the side pillars wrapped, I got the calipers painted yellow, so it was like a all black theme, black rims with yellow calipers. It's pretty dope. Like I'm gonna show you guys once I get out of the car. But it was pretty dope. And then I got all the windows tinted, and you know, it was cool. Like, of course, it came with the like maroon interior and stuff like that. But overall, it was you know, it's a nice car, twin turbo. It's, you know, it's pretty fast, but the sound, you know, I'm a V8 guy, so V6 twin turbos just don't sound as good to me as they should. And this car kind of felt like a grandpa car. Like, it felt like a real nice, like, elegant, high class car. That's something I would get like when like I'm older. Like, I would drive this Porsche when I'm older, have a family, you know, I'm just trying to chill. But right now I'm kind of in that excitement phase of my life. Like, I want to experience the nice things, because you don't get to do all that stuff forever, right? You don't get to do those things for, you know, a long time. Well, I mean, you can, but it's like more so like I don't really want to live that like fast lifestyle when I'm older, when I have a family. I want to do it now when I'm young. You know what I'm saying? So that's how that pretty much is. And then it's just like my dream car. I would think about it every day. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what type of car I got, because I talk about it all the time. But I just couldn't stop thinking about it. Like, I literally couldn't stop thinking about it, and I was just like, you know what? I'm about to make it happen, right? I'm gonna go ahead and make it happen, do what I have to do to make it happen. And then I came across the opportunity, and it was just like, it's here. So what you gonna do with it? You gonna be scared, or you gonna make it happen? And I was just like, you know what? I'm here. I'm taking that next step to that supercar level. You know, it was just one of the things where I had to believe in myself and believe I could do it, and I did. And now I'm just like, dang. So it's a surreal moment, and you guys gonna see once I get to the dealership. Crazy. I just want everybody else, you know, out there to know that, you know, anything is possible. Like, I did this, you can do it too. You know, it's nothing that I can't do that. I mean, nothing that you can't do that I can't. You know, it's like you can do whatever you put your mind to. And I want everybody watching this video to just understand, like, you can do it. You can have anything you want in life, but first, you can have anything you want in life, but first you have to believe it for yourself first. Like, if you don't believe it, then it won't even come to fruition. So enough of my blabbing though. I'm gonna let y'all see the whip once we get to the dealership. Cause like I said, it's y'all gonna see it, and I'm gonna let y'all get a sneak peek of what color it's gonna be, because this is my favorite color. So imagine what the whip is. Let y'all get a sneak peek. But we almost there. We probably got about another 30 minutes away. It's all the way in Fort Worth. But I'm gonna let you guys see it once I get there. Alright guys, moment of truth. Pulling into the lot right now. We're pulling into the lot, guys. It's real, man. But let's go ahead and hop out real quick. These phones. So we're here at the dealership, guys. Okay. I'm about to take delivery of the 2000 XX blank. Let you see it when you see it. So right now we're just inside the dealership, about to get the keys, and out with the old and with the new. I'm in love, guys. Literally, look at it. Spec so crazy. Got the red guts. Engine in the back. Oh, that's nuts right there. Red doors. You can see the engine. It's crazy. About time to get all the stuff out of here. Like, look at this, right? Like, just look at it. You'll see why I traded it in. Getting everything situated.
Believe that? That's 5%. So notice the difference? Yes, I don't know what it is with the windows. I mean, you can see it. It's pretty dark, but yeah. So I did 5% on the...
Perfect.
Like that, yeah.
Perfect.
Cleaned up the engine for you. Got
Yes,
the engine
sir. Looks great. Looks great. The moment you guys been waiting for. It's cold start. Oh my God. Thing's a beast. I'm gonna be doing so many miles to this car. It's a project car. Only has 3,000 miles on it. Before we take off though, you know we have to drop the top. Have to drop the top. It's mandatory. Ride the drop. The 10 on. It's mandatory, man. Drop top, man. I did it, man. I did it. I always said I was gonna give me a C8, man, and I got it, man. I just, you know, I'm just so happy. I'm so excited. How I turn this down, I don't want to get copyrighted. But I'm super excited, man. It's a feeling. It's a real blessed feeling, man. And I just can't do anything but thank God and just continue to keep on grinding, man. Keep on grinding. But you can do this too. You can have everything that I have here and more. All you gotta do is put your mind to it. You got the engine in the back, man. We in that vet. We swerving in that vet, man. Now, you know I gotta turn up for the one time, man. Let me connect my car play real quick. One thing I'm gonna do is play this when I get a new whip, because these them dreams and nightmares. We didn't think we was gonna make it this far. Made it back to the crib, man. It's crazy. It's surreal, man. It's surreal. Here we are. It's crazy. It's another one right over there to the left too. But that thing just looks so good, man. Look crazy. It's looking good. So, man, like I was saying, it's, you know, it's a blessing. It's a blessing to really even have the means to do this type of stuff, right? Like, for me to even be buying this car right now is super, super, super crazy. It's just like, I'm lost for words, you know. I can't believe it, but I made it happen, man. And that's God's plan, man, you know. And I'm just, you know, I'm super blessed. I'm super thankful that I'm able to do these type of things. And hopefully this motivates the next person, you know. Hopefully this allows the next person to see that, you know, I'm just a regular person, right? I'm just a regular person that believed in himself, and ultimately I got what I wanted. This is not even like the end all be all. This is just the first major, the big boy step, you know. This is a big boy step. But, you know, if you're watching this video, I hope you know, just take note of this, take note of what I'm saying, and grind, you know. Just believe in yourself, right? Believe in your dream. Don't let nobody else tell you what you can and cannot do, because ultimately it's up to you. As long as you have faith in God and you believe in yourself, things like this can happen. Things like this. And I didn't even give y'all the penthouse tour, but we in the penthouse garage right now, as y'all can see. We're in the penthouse garage. So, man, I'm just super blessed, man. Super happy, super geeked. I think mine's sitting even prettier. Mine got that tint on it, boy. Mine got that tint on it. I think this look crazy without that spoiler. I think the spoiler make it look a little bit more clean. Damn, bro. I own a supercar. This shit crazy.